back home. My life is a party, my home is the club. I party like a rock star, dance until I drop. My life is a party, my home is the club.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get intro because you guys want to know how I customize it and stuff. So, yeah, let's do this. I will try to put Panzoid.com in the subscription below. So basically, you guys want to do this. I will teach you how to do. So basically, oh man, I hope I customize it. Oh no, I didn't use it. So okay, so yeah, like, hold up guys, I'll be okay guys. So next you will you go to Panzoid.com and you go and you see and you go to this little box here that says objects, and then you click it and you type in names. I think is it one. There's a lot of different names, so I don't know if you have to be careful with when you pick, and then you have to type your names here, and you can change the music, but that what I didn't do because I'll be back guys, gotta go use the bathroom. Okay, bad quality. Warning, do not pick the one I just picked. Guys, because that one is just crappy. So yeah, you change your name to like whatever you to. But guys, type in your username you guys really want. But don't type in like other YouTube name because I believe that'd be copyrighted. And you can like drag it around like this and this. I forgot. So yeah, the intro is in here. Watch. But I know YouTuber has the intro. Just to be honest, I know a YouTuber has the intro. But I don't know if and I'm going to be teaching you how to get the other intro in a second. Yeah, the other intro the other app intro. Okay, so you can you customize. You can change it. You can change stuff with different color. I think, but yeah, but this has to stay. Wow, I didn't mean to do that. But be careful, guys, because Sunday we did have some issues with the intros. We did have some problems. It was too big and you guys couldn't see it, but now it's working. We got it working and hold up. I don't want to test this. I don't say hands. I just want to test this. Okay, so did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Is answer man? Yeah, it's behind it. So yeah, you got. So guys, there you can you can pretty much delete it, and you can I think you did this. You can delete this and put your username, but I'm not gonna make a new intro for now. I'm not gonna make a new intro because I'm okay with the intro I have right now. So yeah. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, so yeah, guys, if you need help with this, then, you probably want to tell your dad but make sure your dad is okay with it, because, wait, but does she always have an intro? Hold up. So yeah, you go to pando.com and then what? Okay, so okay, well, it doesn't help at all because the app that I want to be hard to do. Yeah, so that's why I'm showing her and showing you guys how to do it. Okay, so I finally know how to customize it now. Okay, so yeah, group text. So yeah, wait, what? So guys, I'm done. So guys, you can also type this and I don't know but guys, I think you need to add something to it, to be able to make it to work. You have to add like a thing to it to make it work. But be careful, guys, because the issue I had, let me see if I can do it. The issue I had, guys, oh my goodness, zoom up. It was like, not that close, but closer. It was like up to that P, okay? It was like up to that P, and then, so yeah, it was up to that P, but it was an O. It was just straight line, and then it was an O. I was so up close. You guys couldn't see my name. So that was the issue we had. That's why I didn't plan that. Somebody tell me, so guys, next year I'm going to get a new intro because I'm going to do something a little bit off, guys. Well, not a little bit off, but every year I'm going to change my intro. Every year, guys. So I'm going to keep the intro for this year, and then I'm going to change it. Guys, it's snowing on where I live. So yeah. So guys, I do enjoy the video. If you didn't, that's because I like and subscribe, and then wait. I'm so glad I caught myself. So guys, if you want, I don't be putting this in the subscription below as well. I don't be putting yours in the subscription below too. So, hold up. Handsome man intro. Handsome man intro. Yeah, you put handsome man intro, and then if you can't find it, then you guys will. Then guys, do this. This is my old intro. I literally just guys, I still have that old intro. So guys, I'm going to copy this. And then you want it, what happening? Well, anyway, guys, you want to go here, and well, it will help me. And then you want to, but guys, I refer you to not pick one from this because where someone said it was not good, and the one I just showed you, it always for free, because some of them you have to pay, and like. And these ones are not really awesome. It took me like an hour to find one. So yeah, I can't show you how to customize that. Wow, that was 9 months ago. On April Fool's Day. Guys, do you know April Fool's Day is actually Easter this year? April Fool's Day is actually Easter. I'm doing it. Whoa. Wow, that messed up. Wait, hold up. I did the video count. I'm kidding. What was I saying? I don't want to show you. I'm sorry. I don't want to show you. Okay. Wow, wow, they might be popular. I think the intro is pretty cool. Hold up, wait. Let me watch it again. This intro is so amazing. I don't know what to call this. I'm leaving Roblox, and that the end of it. Wow, why? I replied to you. You see that reply. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Where today I'm gonna be. Yeah. I would do Try Not to Scare challenge, but I don't want you guys to get super scared. You guys will stop crying. So, yeah, that one I'm not gonna do that. Guys, because I know I will lose. Definitely, because when I lose, I'll probably cry. That's what I always do. I get scared and I cry sometimes. I just put it out there. I know. Because that's what I didn't want. But on video, I will, but guys, let me know, and let me know if you guys want if you guys want what was I gonna say? Anyway, I forgot. Guys, what game do you want me to play? And if you guys pick Roblox, I guess. But I had to bring Minecraft back. People want that, I guess. By the way, guys, if you want me to play Who's Your Daddy, I will do that. But the only problem is it give me too much lag. So probably because of the update is so update. The update is laggy. So you guys will not like Who's Your Daddy. Believe me, you guys will not. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you didn't, definitely click that like button and subscribe. And I am on your YouTube channel. Okay, so bye guys. So okay, so guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you didn't, definitely click that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.